Drivers traveling along U.S. Highway 75 between Hinton and Sioux City now breathing a sigh of relief as the project there reaches completion on the roads. This afternoon, the Iowa Department of Transportation inching just one step closer now to opening all 4 lanes of traffic there.
KCAU-9 News reporter Marina Bach sharing how one business is eager to see that project take shape in our top story tonight at 10.
The highway is a busy highway out there. I'm tickled pink that they're finally going to finish it up.
Nick Bogenreef has owned B&B Art Glass for 50 years. His business sits right on the edge of Highway 75 in the town of Hinton.
You can ask for a better location for a traffic flow that comes through here. And it's been mainly word of mouth, and just when they did put the stoplight out there, that really helped a lot.
I think it's great for the area, and it's great to see the transportation dollars come to Northwest Iowa.
Construction on the 4.8-mile section of US 75 from Sioux City's north side to Hinton started in early April, with few knowing the historic nature of the roadway.
This is the oldest rural 4-lane in the state of Iowa, and some of the original pavement from when it was a 2-lane is actually some of the older concrete in the state of Iowa, and it was in need of replacement.
After over $14 million of bridge, road, and elevation improvements, Siouxland drivers will now enjoy a safer and smoother ride.
We were able to create a safer situation out there in that we don't have the elevation, such a severe elevation difference between the north and southbound lanes, providing them a modern roadway that's going to last for decades.
But the work's not over yet on Highway 75. Drivers will have a year-long break before the road work begins again from Hinton to Merrill in 2022. Marina Bach, KCAU 9 News.